Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by updating Windows and creating a restore point so you can undo changes if needed. Once done, open Task Manager and identify high CPU or high RAM processes. Close non-essential apps to free resources. Make sure your drivers, especially GPU and chipset, are current because outdated drivers often cause stutters. You will also run a quick disk check. This discovers file errors that slow access. These first actions give immediate relief and a safe foundation for deeper fixes. Now you tackle the core optimizations. Adjust visual effects for performance or selectively disable animations to lower GPU cost, which reduces lag. Then open startup and disable programs you rarely use so boot and idle performance improve. Next, clean temporary files and run trim on SSDs to maintain fast I/O. Fragmentation and full drives are common culprits. Make sure power settings are on high performance or balanced with performance bias, because power plans finish by running SFC and DISM to repair corrupt system files, which can cause unexplained slowdowns. Once complete, monitor temperatures and clean dust from fans. Thermal throttling reduces speeds, so good airflow matters. If problems persist, test RAM with memtest and run a smart check on your drive. Failing components often masquerade as software lag. As a last resort, backup data and perform a clean Windows reinstall. If that fails, replace the faulty hardware. This eliminates recurring lag.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.